Hi guys. Okay, in the last video we looked at how to export data from data in CSV format, but in this video we'll look at how to export data into Excel. The reason I'm making another video for Excel is like sometime if you have a Unicode data in and that it is not previewable in most of the time in the CSV format. So for that, actually, you need to use Excel, and also like Excel supports a lot of other feature like there are multiple. You can actually export multiple spreadsheets into one Excel. So yeah, that's also a benefit. So this is just a simple Laravel app. I actually uploaded it on my GitHub. So I will make sure to include this link in the description as well, so that you are able to download and play around it. I also included like database seeders as well, so there is no, you will not have to worry about like to see the data here. So you can actually run it multiple times if you need more data, but yeah, it should work pretty easily. And I also included the README, so all the steps that you need to actually run this application. So yeah, let's go ahead and check the code. So this is again this is a post form. So the reason I'm actually emphasizing in the post form is like, so this is used to avoid CSRF attacks. So I will actually make another video on CSRF attacks as well, so that you are familiar with it. For now, actually, you can just browse and you can Google on it, and you will see like it's a big issue. So yeah, let's see the code here. So in this background, actually, there is just one route here, export to Excel. So this is empty. So let's see like how we can export the data. So first thing you need is PHP spreadsheet package. So this is the PHP office package. So you can just install this by running this command. Let's go ahead and install this guy. Okay, cool. The package is installed. So first thing that you need to do is you need to get all your data into array. So we will actually create an array and put all the data we have into array. And let's go ahead and type in the item again, so we are able to access the properties that it has. And let's add the headers into data as well. So we'll be using ID and title, price, and creation date. Okay, and let's put all the data we have into array. Okay, so now we have all the data into array. Let's go ahead and create a spreadsheet, our first spreadsheet. Okay, so we'll add the data into spreadsheet. So yeah, this is the method that you will use. So you will use the first active sheet and add the data from the array. So this will add all the data to array. So next thing that we will do is we'll create the Excel file here. Excel writer actually that we need. So yeah, so this is it. So we'll add our sheet here, actually here. Okay, so we'll add this here. And next thing that we need to actually add the header. So I will copy paste the header so that I don't mess up something. So this is the header. So we're just telling the browser that content type is spreadsheet. So the last thing is that we need to add the disposition header. So I'll just copy it from here and I'll paste it here. Okay, so but this is Excel file, so I'll just change the extension. So our file name is catalog and then time to actually make it unique. So every time the user downloads, so files have a different name. So the last thing that we need to do is, so we'll actually save it. So if you want to save it into the storage, so actually you can remove these headers and put the file name here, the storage name here, maybe storage path, and file name here, file name XLS, and it will actually save the file into storage. We will actually check that as well. But if you want the user to download directly, so we'll just do PHP So this is actually provided by the Excel library, PHP spreadsheet library here. So we'll just do this and it will send this download to the user. We have to actually use XLSX if we're using modern XLSX file. So I think, yeah, that should do it. Let's go ahead and refresh it again. Okay, so we got our XLSX file. So let's go ahead and open this file. So yeah, so you can see like now this is open in Excel file, and now you can do pretty much any operation that you want to, and yeah, it will work. Lastly, like before going off, I just want to show you one more thing, and that is if you want this to be stored here, so we'll just do a storage path and we can do downloads, and we can put our file name here, maybe catalog, item catalog, and then we can put time here, and lastly XLSX extension, and here we can actually tell the user that okay, back with your download is being prepared, we'll notify you shortly. Okay, so let's go ahead and remove the headers. Actually create a download directory here. I think that should do it. Let's go ahead and refresh it one more time. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and check our download folder here, and we can see like we have our catalog.xml here. So now you actually know both ways. So if you want to save this file, you can save it file. If you want to download this and send it to user, you can do this as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Cheers.